Hey, how are you?
How are you? What are you up to?
Automotive yoga.
Oh, good.
Wrapping up the headliner, Mr. Fetterman.
Nice.
So it kicked my butt, but I kicked it back.
Oh, good. Okay.
So,
let's see what you got.
all nice and stretched out. And got a little bit to do up in the front. That's about it.
That looks fantastic.
I hope so. I hope Mr. Fetterman likes it. Heck of a learning curve, but I enjoyed it.
Yeah. So what was the learning curve about?
Working with the material. The material just doesn't react like I'm used to on most vinyls and synthetic leathers and stuff like that. I've never worked with this material before, so that was
usually it's like perforated vinyl, right?
Yeah, that's the stock stuff, but you know.
This is very nice.
Yeah, vintage cloth.
Very nice.
So fine. Thank you very much for all your help with this.
Yeah.
So props up to Mike.
It's good to have connections who can
walk you through some stuff. And it's like sometimes just don't be dumb about it.
Oh, well, that's easy.
Yeah. So
easier
what's up
said than
week?
Done. Right?
Yeah. What's up this week?
So we had a question come in.
Yeah.
What's the difference? What's the difference between a pan on and a pan off restoration?
Pan on restoration is the same thing in American classic cars, which would be a frame on. So the car doesn't actually leave the chassis. Mm-hmm. We don't really like doing it that way. We prefer to remove the pan from the car, and that way we have access to everything. And then, so we can actually see everything that needs to get taken care of, and we have full, just to be able to get into all the nooks and crannies. It makes it easier. Mm-hmm. It is a bit more expensive, but we think it's a better job.
Yeah.
So.
And can you put a pan on? Could you still do sandblasting?
You could. You'd have to be real careful on how the blast was done.
Okay.
So typically we like to remove the glass and the trim and all of that stuff to get the access to everything. Mm-hmm. And by just popping the pan and putting it on a dolly, and it's like we have a Ghia behind you that we've done that, and it's like we pop the body and then we're just doing what the client has asked us to do. Mm-hmm. It just had very extensive metal work, and anytime you get into with these cars, they tend to rust out in the bottom areas. So the pans go also, so it's actually just easier to pop the body.
Okay.
It's like 26 13 millimeter bolts and what was it, there's 4 17 millimeters or 15 millimeters up front, and then there's two in the rear section. Mm-hmm. And that's it, and then the beam. But that's it.
Is it kind of the difference between, if you're wiping down a counter, it's moving everything and wiping, or wiping around?
So if you're gonna sweep up the floor, you're gonna move stuff around to get all the dirt around it. So.
Gotcha.
But I like leaf blowers, so.
Yes, you do.
That tends to work really well. So I need to get this one because I'm supposed to be scheduled for something else tomorrow, and I got to get this wrapped up today. So I appreciate the question, guys. Hit the like, subscribe button. We're going to be doing a contest, and please check out our Sunday videos. And if you leave a comment,
watch us work.
If you leave a comment in the Sunday videos or have a question that we'll use on the Saturday videos, I think we'll do a prize package, but it has to come in on the Sunday. You have to be a subscriber. You have to hit the like button on both vids. So that's the contest. You get a t-shirt and a sticker pack and maybe some magazines out to you.
Nice.
So have a good week, folks, and enjoy your weekend since this is broadcasting on Saturday.
All right. Let's see what everybody else is up to. Whoa. Stone has been a busy man.
You've been a sick man talking about.
Yeah, poor guy. We're gonna interview him from way back here. Just kidding. Yeah. You feeling better?
A lot better.
I'm so glad.
Walking around and
vertical, breathing, living,
breathing for the most part.
Okay.
Not throwing up.
Not throwing
up.
Oh, that's a bonus. So what are you doing?
Just putting some filler on. This quarter.
Mm-hmm.
Got some dings and dents out of it.
Okay. And I saw you were doing some shrinking disc stuff yesterday.
Yeah.
So do you think this Ghia got dinged pretty hard at some point?
Yeah, it got dinged a couple times on each end, but as old as it is, I'm not surprised. And this one had a patch panel here, and they didn't curve it.
Oh.
So they did more of a flat piece here. So we got kind of shape that a little bit.
Interesting repairs.
I mean, it's just what they had back then. So,
Yeah.
I mean, they probably took it to a collision shop and just like,
Sure.
boom, here you go.
Yeah. Wow.
So,
All right.
there's that.
It's looking good.
Getting there. I just started putting filler on it, so I'll start putting it into it here in a little bit.
Okay. Sounds good. There you go, Mr. Schutte. How's that coming along?
Still gotta get in there and tighten up all the dash stuff.
Oh, yeah. And we're repainting, right?
Yeah, we're painting the inside, the deck lid, inside the engine bay.
Nice.
I mean, the engine bay and
Gotcha.
the deck lid. You know what I mean?
Yep. Father and son both working on orange vehicles.
That's
So
special.
coordinated. Twinning is winning.
That's special.
That's very special. What are you doing to this nice Porsche?
I hung the door this morning, got it all lined up, doing all the seals on it, put all the latches in, the door stop, newly chromed door handles.
Okay. Oh, wow. That looks nice.
Just working on putting in all the windows right now for it. Got all these seals installed, these seals and new chrome installed. Up underneath the
The seals
hood.
make a difference.
They make a huge difference.
They
A little
really
bit
do.
of chrome
I wouldn't
does.
have thought. A little bit of rubber there, but that's very nice.
It's got the vent box installed up underneath the dash. All the venting system is all hooked in and everything. So all that has to go in before the gas tank goes in.
All right. Mark's going to be very happy.
He is. He's already excited.
That's
So
great.
we like to keep everybody happy.
We do our best.
We try. We try.
Alex, you're back. We haven't scared you off yet, huh?
Yeah,
What are you working on?
I am trying to get this radio bracket attached to the car that holds the radio in place.
Okay.
But it is not going easy.
That's going to be great, though. That's pretty fancy schmancy sound system going in, right?
Yes.
Nice.
We've got a dual amp setup with a single amp for the dual subwoofers and then a 6 speaker setup for the front of the vehicle on another amp.
Wow. All right. Mr. Gazzo's never going to want to get out of his vehicle.
Yeah, we might hear him coming a mile away.
Yeah, no kidding. Gonna shake our windows. Whoa,
Yes.
this looks good. Back from the powder
Yes.
coater.
Used to be pink.
Yeah, it used to be pinkish red. This is Mr. Fonseca's rail that we're
Wow.
starting assembly on with just got it back from powder coater yesterday, so we're starting assembly on it and everything. Trying to get it rolling. Still a couple weeks till we get an engine for it, but we
Okay.
get where it's a rolling chassis, we can move it around a little bit.
Yeah, well, that'll be a lot easier than
Oh, yeah.
lifting it up.
Yeah, and I prefer the green over the pinkish red it was.
Yeah, that was kind of
That was
tired
a little,
looking.
yeah. So we got military green and black.
That's going to be very sharp.
Yes, it is. Installing the wheelwood disc brakes on the front
Okay.
to give it a little more
Oh,
stopping
nice
power.
brakes. Yeah,
Yes,
what's
disc
good?
brakes. Yes.
Great. Very
Yeah,
nice.
so-
And then 2 seats.
Yes. Yes, it's still a 2-seater.
That's going to
New headlights for the front, tail lights for the rear. It's going to have a LED light bar across the top edge of the roof.
be great. Ooh,
So he will be able to see.
that's a good thing.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah.
All right, you do good work.
I'm trying to. Powder coaters do good too.
Yeah. Oh, there's our sweeper.
On our new
On our very brand new lift.
Yes.
This is a nice thing.
Oh, yes.
That should give us a little bit more working space and a good
Yes,
angle.
and good height too.
That's awesome. All right, guys, have a great week.